I really like Superman. Alright, I just like it. I like Superman a lot. It's just a good comic. Yeah, I just like it. La 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 la. Ooh, bumpy road. Bumpy road. Whenever I'm out here, it reminds me of Robotech New Generation. Such a fan. Fall especially, I like the feeling of fall. Just feel like, yeah, I feel like the invader watching me. It's definitely, you know, it's post-apocalypse. I haven't watched Moss Beta. You know, I only watched New Generation. I'm sure they're fairly similar. At least visually, obviously, they're similar. Yeah, I may watch that sometime. Something running across the road up ahead. It's like deer. Boring old deer. Deer. Whatever. 1, 2, 3, 2. Ooh. Oh, the engine braking. Now they get used to the bicycle. Firearms must be unloaded. Guys, I'm just gonna unload my firearms. You know, you gotta have your firearms unloaded. Unless you're in post-nuke, then you should keep them loaded, I think. I always like the post-apocalypse, my favorite genre, specifically post-nuke, you know, like the old post-nuke 80s movies. And just think about Mad Max and his brake-loading sawed-off shotgun. Just kind of iconic, you know. Mad Max. I love the Mad Max movies. And guys, there are 3 well, I guess there are 4 now. 4 Mad Max movies. So, people are constantly saying, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to get my chain wet. So I'm not going to go over that because I don't want my chain wet. Or, full of dust and grime and stuff. So what I'm going to do is, once this guy is passed, I'm going to turn around because I don't want all to be all wet and soaked. I just washed the bike and I don't want to mess around with the chain anymore. So So there we go. Oh my. Wow. So you're really kind of learning how to driving it. Each season you have to get used to the bike again. It's not like driving where, you know, a car or truck where you drive all the time and everything's rosy, ideally. On a bike you need to feel it out again, and your body needs to get used to it every year. Yeah, that's what it. So pretty lucky to be able to have a bike and to live in a part of the world where I can get one. Post-nuke movies. Post-apocalypse. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna accelerate, and I enjoy doing that. So not breaking the speed limit, but I am accelerating to the speed. He's looking to pass, so ideally he should be in the left lane. I'm changing just to make me more visible to this guy. You know, there are when you have a motorcycle, there are 2 lanes in your 1 lane, 2 grooves where the tires typically go on a car. You know, passenger side, driver's side. When you're riding on a motorcycle, it's advised that you be in the driver's side lane of your lane. Wheel groove. Which kind of freaks you out sometimes because you're so close to passing vehicles. You know, I'll change if I feel safety necessitates it, like over a hill. Sometimes you don't know if someone's passing. Or, you know, if there's a big rig, big transport truck or something, the wind from those can be pretty brutal if you're on a bike, especially a lighter bike. And a 600cc is a lighter bike because they're, you know, they're lighter through necessity. They're racing bikes, so everything's, you know, literally down to grams. You know, people are racing these bikes and they're like, you know, I'm not going to eat for a few hours before because I don't want an extra 500 grams of weight, right? I mean, that's the, yeah, they're right down to the gram, the sport bike.